VCM and ACM modulation schemes, which are typically used in DVB-S2 and DVB-S2X carriers, are two types of modulation schemes that allow you to modulate different sets of content under different sets of modulation parameters. For example, you could have a set of HD services modulated under 32 APSK modulation, and the same set of services in SD format modulated under a more robust modulation, like, for example, QPSK. All of it under the same DVB-S2 or DVB-S2X carrier. So we can see all of that with the ATSC. I'm going to tune now a satellite carrier that I know is using ACM VCM modulation. Is this one over here. Now the unit is trying to demodulate, already logged to the transport stream. As you can see, in this case, this is a DVB-S2X carrier. If we go to the signal parameters tool, we can see now that indeed there are two sets of modulation parameters. These are traditionally called mode codes. There are two of them. One of them is 16 APSK, and the other one, the one that we are now locked to, is 8 PSK. All of it in the same carrier. Besides that, for each mode code, the ATSC will offer you what is the link margin associated to that mode code. So besides that, we can log to the other mode code as well, just by pressing on the small square. Now it's capturing the PAT table. And you can see, as I said, the link margin for each one of the mode codes. For the 16 APSK, the link margin is lower than for the APSK, that is 5.5, as the second one is a more robust modulation.